In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a font in Canva. First, click the text you want to change. Move your mouse over the text box on your design, then click once. You will see a purple or blue outline appear around the text box and small handles on the corners. That outline means the text is selected, and any changes you make now will affect only this text box. If you have several text boxes close together, make sure the outline appears on the one you actually want to edit, not a different title or subtitle. Now look at the toolbar at the top. When your text is selected, Canva shows a row of options above the design area. You should see controls for font, size, color, alignment, and more, all in a single horizontal bar. The font control is usually on the left side of that bar, and it shows the name of the current font. If you do not see this toolbar, click the text again once to reselect it, and the bar should reappear. Next, click the font name currently being used. This is the word in the toolbar that shows the style, for example, something like Open Sans or another font name. When you click on that name, a panel opens, showing a list of fonts. You will see your recently used fonts at the top and more options below, sometimes separated into categories like serif or handwriting. The list scrolls, so you can move up and down to browse. From there, search for the font you want. At the top of the font panel, there is a search box where you can type. Click inside that box and begin typing the font name you are looking for. As you type, the list below filters in real time, so only matching fonts appear. This is much faster than scrolling through everything, especially if you already know the exact name you want. If nothing appears, double-check the spelling, because even a single wrong letter can hide the font you need. Finally, click the font to apply it. Once you see the font you want in the list, click its name one time. Your selected text on the canvas will instantly change to that new style, using the same words but a different look. The font panel stays open, so you can click another font to compare styles quickly if you like. A handy detail is that Canva applies the font immediately without any save button, so when you click away from the text box, the change is already stored in your design. You have just changed the font on a text box in Canva, giving your design a new style in a few simple clicks. If this helped you get your text looking right, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Canva tips.